Hey guys, this is Yoli. I'm getting ready to start this wig making class. And while my client is trying to take a bite before we start setup, I'm looking, a little down because I am actually going to be her client. Because as a part of the class, although you don't see it listed in the agenda, you're actually going to do a consultation. Because how is a wig maker not going to know how to take a consultation and ask the right questions to get you the wig of a dream? So for me, this is going to be coming off and she's going to be measuring my head or everything. So I'm just only looking somewhat presentable just to have this conversation with you. But we were having a little talk, a little chatterization, and I'm going to see if I could turn around and sit down. And she's going to give this little quick testimonial while she's swallowing her pizza. While she's swallowing her pizza. Hold on, let me turn this light down so everybody can see. I'm not talking to a ghost. So you were just sharing that while you were looking for a class, what made you pick me now?
Just everything, the whole setup. She's hands-on. To me, she was the best out of what I saw. I was looking, did a Google search. I looked on eBright, I think, and like one or two other places. But I was like, no, this is where I need to be. Then she has a actual location. She's not just working any random place, an actual location that you can come to. So I just felt good about it. I don't know, you guys. I think this is it. And then when she said that I'm gonna be doing the consultation on her, it's like, okay, so I'm really gonna know what I'm doing when I leave this class. So I feel confident in it. I'm gonna let y'all know at the end too.
Well, they'll get to see it in the end, but here's the fun part where I didn't list in the class, and this was a surprise. So she's getting this heavy duty machine.
Oh, okay, y'all. For the class, y'all.
She getting this heavy. It's brand new in the box. Has not been opened. Everything is brand new. So she has an actual wig kit behind her stuff with all her supplies. She got her hair, her wig block, her stand.
Yes.
So if you want to open your wig kit real quick, because you're not going to see me when I walk through it with her and explain her what it is, but just so you can see her.
And this is the main thing I left off, y'all, that you have to bring nothing. Nothing at all. Just show up. I asked her one last time, are you sure I don't need to bring nothing? Just show up. And she has everything. So here we have... Okay, so we have our thread. You want me to open this up too?
Go ahead.
Yeah, okay.
They get to see this firsthand.
Okay, y'all don't get to see everything.
They get to see
the scissors. We got for our markings, for our measurements. Boom, boom, boom. Thread. All right, we got
this is
our pins, T-pins.
This is the wig kit.
Yes. Seam ripper. There we go.
You gotta rip those threads. Sometimes you make mistakes. And the most important part is the needles. Everybody's using the wrong needles and you wonder why it's bending and breaking. That's why.
Okay.
Certain type of needles.
And then you got these, they call them bobbins.
She got some bobbins. I got her some extra ones. The machine comes with some, but I got her some extra ones because I figure she's going to be busy.
And clips.
She has some combs.
Well, combs. I said clips.
To add.
Okay, and then I'm going to put that back in a second. Let's continue
It's not finished. She
got
got some dome caps. We have two.
Boom.
And this is her little bag she's pulling out. She got needle and thread.
And
she gets two dome caps. Yep. And then she gets her wig block. She gets a stand. And inside the little pink bag, that's another dome cap. Okay. Inside the little pink bag is the hair. She don't have to pull it out, but if she wants to.
Yes, we're going to pull this hair out, y'all.
Because she got 3 bundles.
See, honey. Yes, body wave.
Shh, don't tell nobody. So she gets 3 bundles in a closure. And that's all I'm going to share with you guys. If you want more information, it's on the website. But I'm going to let her go ahead and swallow her breakfast. And then we're going to get started. But she is all in this stuff. See, this was supposed to be a private moment that we're sharing here. It's a private moment we're sharing.
But we gotta share with y'all because y'all need to come out.
Yeah, come on,
Through. This is worth it. You see what she's giving you guys. And that's on top of the lesson. So this alone was great. But
and there's more, but she just don't know it. And you won't see it. Mm-hmm. Bye.
Bye.